Yo. Starting off with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And we got the first order right away. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee, going just about 5 miles. Under the building name, it says, please knock and leave by the front door. And then it says, please leave by the front door. Do not ring or knock. Thank you. Okay. Why is it always the people that tip the lowest that have the most to say? Total ended up being $7 for that one. And we got the next order right away. This is going to be for Jack in the Box, going 5.5 miles. Is that everything?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Another $1 tip. Wahoo! Total ended up being $7. And we got the next order right away. This is for McDonald's, going 4 miles. I've got the feeling this is going to be another low tip, considering it's only a sausage McMuffin and a hash brown. Paired with the low mileage, yeah, I don't know about this one. Oh, they actually tipped better than both of the other orders combined. Only bad thing about that is that order only took like 10 minutes, so it still ended up being pretty bad. Unfortunate. Total was like just under $7. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going to be going 4.5 miles.
Here's that one, permit.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Oh, that's just cringe. We've got to hand it to customer.
Quite yet. There you go. You got it. Sorry.
Karina, there you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Here you go. Now you can go at this.
Thank you. She just planning to lock me in there or what? Pretty sure she just walked away once I gave her the bag. Total also ended up being $6 and change. Really bad. Got the next order. This one's going to be for a different Starbucks, going 6.5 miles. They just gave me an add-on Starbucks. This is going an extra like half a mile. Hello. Thank you. Oh boy, got another hand to customer. Someone did not tip there, so total ended up being $10 and change. Not the greatest at all, but we got the next orders lined up. This is a stack, looks like going to the same person. We got Donut Nook and Starbucks going 8 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that ended up being 15 squid. Next up, we have a McDonald's. I believe this one said it was going like 3.5 miles. I live at the back of the front house, have to drive up my driveway to house on the left. Just leave at door, thanks. That did not make any sense at all to me. I'm sure it will once I get there, but I'm so lost. Another $1 tip. Okay, yeah, we're done with this for the day. Total for that ended up being $5, by the way. Okay, I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes now after the last order. To be honest, I might call it earlier than usual. I can't focus. My mind is on too many other things at the moment. Okay, yeah, we're done. I'm sick of waiting here, doing nothing. Current time is 9:44. It is so early. Total is 58, I think, which is pretty good actually, especially considering I've been sitting here doing nothing for like half an hour. Like if I ended my shift as soon as I finished that last one and just went home, that would have been even better. Since I've wasted so much time, it's pretty much evened out. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.